Did you know that some of the world's most expensive medicines now have affordable versions that are just as effective? They're called biosimilars, and they're changing the way we treat diseases like cancer, Crohn's disease, arthritis, and psoriasis. But what exactly is a biosimilar? How does it compare to the original biologic? And which biosimilars are leading the way across the US, Canada, and Europe? Let's break it all down, clearly, simply, and scientifically. First, let's understand the basics. A biosimilar is a biologic medicine that's been carefully developed to be highly similar to an already approved biologic medicine, called the reference product. Biologics are complex medicines made from living cells. Unlike simple chemical drugs, these are large molecules, think proteins, antibodies, and hormones produced through advanced biotechnology. Now, biosimilars are not identical copies, but they are clinically equivalent. That means they're just as safe, just as effective, and have no clinically meaningful differences compared to the original biologic. The only meaningful difference: cost. Biosimilars are often available at a much lower price, improving access to critical therapies for millions of patients worldwide. The US FDA, Health Canada, and the European Medicines Agency have strict approval pathways for biosimilars. To gain approval, biosimilar manufacturers must prove through extensive laboratory tests and clinical trials that their product matches the reference biologic in structure and purity, safety and efficacy, and pharmacokinetics, which is how the body absorbs and processes it. In short, the science has to show no clinically meaningful difference. That's why, once approved, healthcare professionals and patients can rely on biosimilars with the same confidence as the original biologic medicine. You might have also heard the term interchangeable biologic. This refers to a biosimilar that has provided extra clinical data showing that patients can safely switch back and forth between the biosimilar and the reference medicine without any loss of effectiveness or safety. In the pharmacy, interchangeable biologics can be substituted just like generic drugs, unless the prescribing doctor specifies otherwise. But here's the key point: an interchangeable biologic is not superior to a regular biosimilar. It simply means it has completed additional testing to confirm switching safety. Both must meet the same high standards for quality, safety, and efficacy. Biosimilars represent one of the biggest shifts in modern healthcare. They reduce treatment costs by 20 to 50% or more, expand patient access to life-saving biologic therapies, and drive competition and innovation in the pharmaceutical market. In countries like the US, Canada, Germany, and the UK, biosimilars have already saved billions of dollars in healthcare spending. Now, let's look at the top 10 biosimilar medicines currently approved and widely used in the US, Canada, and Europe. Number 1. Adalimumab, with biosimilars for Humira. These are used for rheumatoid arthritis, Crohn's disease, and psoriasis. Common biosimilars include Amjevita, Hyrimoz, and Cyltezo. These are among the most widely launched biosimilars globally since Humira's patent expired. Number 2. Trastuzumab, with biosimilars for Herceptin, used for HER2-positive breast cancer. Common biosimilars include Kanjinti, Herzuma, and Ogivri. Number 3. Bevacizumab, with biosimilars for Avastin. These are used for various cancers like lung, colorectal, and kidney cancer. You might see names like Mavasi, Zirabev, and Alemsys. Number 4. Rituximab, with biosimilars for Rituxan or Mabthera. Used for lymphomas, leukemia, and rheumatoid arthritis. Common biosimilars are Truxima, Rixathon, and Ruxience. Number 5. Insulin Glargine, with biosimilars for Lantus. Crucial for diabetes management. Common biosimilars include Basaglar, Semglee, and Resvaglar. Number 6. Apotin Alpha, with biosimilars for Epigen or Eprex. These treat anemia due to kidney disease or chemotherapy. Common names are Retacrit, Binacrit, and Epitine Alpha Hexyl. Number 7. Filgrastim, with biosimilars for Nepogen. Used for neutropenia in cancer patients, you'll find biosimilars like Zarxio, Nifestim, and Grastafil. Number 8. Infliximab with biosimilars for Remicade. These treat Crohn's disease, ulcerative colitis, and arthritis. Common biosimilars are Inflectra, Renflexis, and Avsola. Number 9. Etanercept with biosimilars for Enbrel. Used for rheumatoid arthritis and psoriasis, common biosimilars include Eralzi, Benepali, and Itacovo. And number 10. Pegfilgrastim with biosimilars for Neulasta. These help prevent infection in chemotherapy patients. Common names are Fulphila, Udenyca, and Zextenzo. So there you have it, the science behind biosimilars and the top 10 medicines transforming healthcare, affordability, and access. These drugs prove that innovation and competition can coexist, benefiting both patients and healthcare systems. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to PharmQuest for more pharmaceutical insights and biotech explainers. Thanks for watching.